Hi friends, it's Jenny and it's time. It is official. The first day of our 14 days of love from the Gemstone Orphanage starts now. And I'm really excited. I am super excited that Debbie and Steve loved the idea of doing an Advent. It is a lot of work. Hopefully they do this again soon. But we love it and we're excited. And I am ready to get into this. I haven't opened my stuff yet. As you can see, my box is still full of all these little lovely goodies. And I am going to be opening day one. We're going to be sharing this across several channels. So hello, if you're watching from Kryssy or Colleen's channels. Today is going to be here on Beki and Jenny Beating Together. And tomorrow, Kryssy is going to be opening day two. So make sure that if you haven't already followed all of our channels, that is the best way to make sure that you don't miss an unboxing, because then you'll get a notification, especially if you turn on your notifications, of when the new Advent is. We are collaborating, which means you can still find this video, but it will be in your feed. You might have to go look for it. So that is just the structure of YouTube right now. So make sure that you follow Kryssy's channel and Colleen's channel, or if you're watching from one of their channels, follow ours so that you don't miss out on these 14 days of love. I am going to be opening day one, and we are all, it's so cute. Colleen's like, where do you get your organizers? I want to get one too. And then Kryssy showed that she got one as well. So we have our favorite organizer that we're actually all going to be organizing our collections as we open them. So the four people opening it are going to be me and Beki. We're going to kind of alternate when it's our channel's turn. Kryssy and Colleen. And Colleen is out of town, so you might not see something from her until she comes back, but she is absolutely worked into our schedule as soon as possible. So our next one is definitely going to be Kryssy, and we will always announce in one video where you can find the next day's video. So here we are on Beki and Jenny Beating Together with day one. Tomorrow, you'll find a video from Kryssy at Kryssy. I'm a little nervous. I don't know what's in here. So while I think I know one item in this entire collection, Debbie did really good helping keep it a surprise for me. And so I don't know what's in here. And instead of having a packing list, there's going to be a little information card in each thing. And instead of just having one item, there's multiple items in every day. But it's going to be a combination or a mix of, findings and beads, and eventually there's a special orphan in here that we're all getting, and I don't know where or when, but here is our first selection, day one, Cherry Blossom Jasper rounds in 8mm. There's 20 of those, and 6mm 25. I'm excited. Let me get my little dish out. Let me get my dish out so we can look at these babies a little bit closer. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this. This is Cherry Blossom Jasper. And they are gorgeous. I know not everybody loves pink, but here on our channel, we love pink. And I love it accented with these black inclusions. How pretty are those? And just the variety in the pinks. We've got some kind of more earthy toned pink, kind of dusky, and then some that are really light and vibrant, some that are dreamy. Oh, I love those. So those are the 8mm. Pop those in my box because, yes. And then we've got these ones. Here are our 6mm. Like I said, there's 20 of the 8mm, 25 of the 6. Look at how pretty they are. A lot of really similar coloration between the two, so they are going to go so pretty in a design. I am so excited. I'm so excited that we get to make with these. We are going to be doing an opening every day through the 14th of February. And then on the 15th, we're all going to gather together and do a make-along with our collections. That's going to be here on the Beki and Jenny Beating Together channel. And it's going to be, I think that one's the one that is at 5 Central, which is 6 Eastern, 4 Mountain, and 3 Pacific. And that's going to be on Sunday the 15th. Kind of a Galentine's final day for it. And I'm so looking forward to that. So this, oops, spilling my beads everywhere. This has been day 1 of the Gemstone Orphanage. I'm trying to decide what I want to do because I think, so Debbie did say, because these are some really cool bags, the stickers do peel off. Make sure you do it gently. So you can use this as a little gift bag as well. And I'm just taking this, even though on the printed side it says day 1, I'm just sticking this on the back. So I've got my day 1 here on my card. How cute is that? Day 1. Yay! I love it. Oh, what a great selection. This first selection is fantastic. I'm excited to see what's next. I absolutely love the direction that Debbie is going with these colors. And I think that that is just gorgeous. So gorgeous. So we're going to be doing the collaboration. So you will see this listed under all of our channels. I'm also going to have links to each of the channels involved in the description, as well as a link to the Gemstone Orphanage store. There will be extras from this box, but because it's a surprise, it's an advent, we are waiting to put those extras into the shop until the 15th, so that there's no spoilers. So if you love what you see here, there's a possibility you can find some of what we open, as well as some other coordinating items that didn't actually make it into this collection, after the 15th in the Adopt-A-Box section at the Gemstone Orphanage website. So, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, everyone, have fun. Happy beading. And don't forget to play, friends. Bye.